This is a 1934 Underwood Junior typewriter, serial number E821771. It is in excellent near mint condition, has been disassembled, cleaned, serviced, adjusted, and reassembled with a new ribbon installed. It's been thoroughly tested and is ready for use. This is a rare and hard to find Underwood Junior model with a beautiful black gloss finish and excellent glass keys. The Underwood Junior is a basic Depression era version of the Underwood 4-bank, standard portable typewriter. It does have a few scratches on the front. And on the ribbon cover. And a blemish up here. But everything works as it should. And overall, it is in excellent condition. And we'll get some paper loaded in it and show you how she types. That's the Underwood Junior typewriter. Types very well, has a real nice feel to it. And beautiful keys. And it's a very rare model, very hard to find.